Frederika.
I'm Miriam.
And I'm Noya.
And we're going to show you our presentation on unequal distribution of food around the world. This picture is about starving people and that they're waiting in line for food in Africa.
Why we wanted to learn about unequal distribution of food around the world. We wanted to learn about unequal distribution of food around the world because we wanted to know why some countries had so much to eat while others hardly had anything.
Our great central idea is sharing the planet. That's the term. Okay. And global issues have a food issues have a global impact.
Why are people hungry? Does anyone know how many people are hungry? According to the Food and Agricultural Organization, 850 million people are starving. That's around 1/6 of the world's population. On the other hand, 69% of the US healthcare budget is spent on obesity-related medicines, and 25% of the food that we buy has gone bad before we get a chance to eat it. Why do people not have enough food? I found out some world hunger facts I will share with you now. Do we share equally? According to the World Hunger Organization, people in rich countries build food stores and eat more than they even need. A normal European gets enough food that she or he could feed 40 people in a poor country. Another fact I found out is what poor people do with their land. The poor people use their best land to grow tobacco, coffee, and tea that can be sold to rich countries. This stops them from growing enough food to feed their own population. And when the food gets shipped to them, they cannot afford to pay the food, and that's why they're hungry.
Solution. A solution is you can earn money by selling a product or doing a service. Another solution is by raising awareness by telling everybody you know. You can also donate money to any organization on the internet that deals with money to give to the countries that don't have enough food.
Another solution would be to teach people how to grow their own food. We have founded an organization called THP that teaches hungry people how to grow their own food. Millions of people are starving and malnourished, mostly because they can't afford food or simply can't afford the farming supplies they need to grow enough food of their own. And THP provides the tools and training to increase the farm production at the local level. And creating new farming technologies could also help solve world hunger. If food could be grown in large hydroponic farms, does anybody know what hydroponic farms are? Okay, so has anyone seen the urban farm box in front of the school?
Yes.
So it's kind of like that. So hydroponics is like a method of farming, like without using soil. So yeah. And anyways, if food could be grown in large hydroponic farms, for example, there was less strain put on traditional soil farms. And farmers in poor countries could be trained to rotate their crops in order to keep their soil healthier season after season.
Our process.
So first we were wondering, and then we explored Evernote. Then we started making weekly blog posts. Then we also made some weekly interview videos. Then we started taking action, and finally we started making our final presentation.
Wonder. At the beginning of the exhibition, we all got a piece of paper and wrote down what interested us about food. And then we got put into groups according to what we wanted to do. Evernote. Evernote is a tool you can use to put our facts and information. It was really helpful throughout the unit because it kept us very organized.
This is an example of Evernote. So and here are some examples.
Like this is
Group, this is where we wrote our group reflections, and Evernote also contains all our information and research. Okay.
Okay, go to the computer.
Okay, so
weekly blog post. Every week we made our own blog posts saying what we've done throughout the week, like when we made our video that we will show to you in a moment. And we also wrote how it was going in the group, if we had any arguments, or if it was going really well. This is an example. So, exhibition 4, it says how we went to 3rd grade class and it was a lot of fun, and we were really nervous in the beginning because we hadn't really had the experience of performing in front of a large group.
like each week we included how we move forward to our Sorry, this is not fun.
It worked really
Okay,
well.
go back.
Interviews.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, so each week we also made weekly interview videos, and during exhibition each week we made a weekly video, which helps us to keep track of how we are doing and includes the main things we have done on that week. And this is an example of
Making a video about what we've learned, and it's got lots of pictures about the hungry people. And then we've asked Mr. Volunteer to put it up, so every morning after reading, you'll be able to see the video on the screen next to the section. This week I went to the third grade class, and we have really well, and they are very much pleased too. We're working a lot on our action plan. And our action is going to be to make a video to raise awareness, and we're gonna ask to form Mr. Blueberry to put it on the interviews.
Taking action. In the exhibition unit, we also had to take action. So we decided that we would put a video up on the screen next to reception. We included pictures and facts, and we hope that some of you got a chance to watch it. This is the video. We can't turn the whole thing, it's really long.
find out our answer to our question, because we kept thinking we had found it, but every time Mr. Davis said we had to be more precise. We also had troubles finishing work on time.
How our opinions changed. At first I didn't think it was much of a big deal that other countries didn't have a lot to eat. But when we started researching, we realized that it was really a problem because they weren't getting as much food as we were.
But we enjoyed. We enjoyed working together because we all helped each other and shared information.
The end.